Today, I would like to introduce FrankCAM milling module. This is the homepage of FrankCAM. It's a clear and simple homepage. You can see there are 5 buttons on the right side, and they are called 5 steps. First, File. Second, Draw. Third, Cutting setting. Fourth, Simulate. Fifth, Post NC codes. Please start with the first step, File. Click File button to create a new file or select from the existing files. I select from the existing files. For example, I select a sample file. Click OK. Second step, Draw. You can import the drawing of DXF file format, or you can draw directly in FrankCAM by using the drawing tools. Third step, Cutting setting. In this step, please make your machining concept and idea into clear machining steps. Here, you need to set up the tooling, decide the machining operation, and select the machining contour. For example, using face mill to do the service on the square. You can clear the settings with eraser and do the setting again. Like this, double-click the little square to enter the editing interface. For example, I select the drilling tool D12 and click OK. For the machining operation, I select the drilling operation and use the default settings. Next, select the points you want to do the drilling. After the selection, click OK to confirm the contour. Fourth step, simulate the above settings to check if the result is the same as you want. Press Cycle Start button to start the simulation. You can adjust the simulation speed, slow down to 10%, or up to 900% and max. It is simulated according to the NC codes. In the simulation, the toolpath is displayed in different colors of different tools. During the simulation, you can check with the different view angles like top view, front view, side view, ISO view, machine view, table view, and material view. You can also hide or display the toolpath. After checking the simulation, click Exit to return to the Edit interface. The fifth step, which is the last step, is to post the NC codes. Check the machine type is selected according to the machine controller, and then click the NC codes button to enter a window to post the NC codes. In this window, it is showing the file path to save us the NC codes, the program number, and the related settings. All the machining operations are ticked in default, and you can adjust according to your requirement. If above all are fine, click CNC button to post the NC codes. After 3 seconds, there's NC codes. Above are steps to make a design and post NC codes easily. The user interface is straightforward and user-friendly. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.